Holy crap, the thing just flipped upside down. Oh my god. Oh, I hope I got that on the goggles because that was scary. In this video, we are going to take the AVATA down the tallest waterfall in Australia. I'm a little bit scared. Let's go check this waterfall out, see what we're up against. And there it is. Like, holy shit. This is the tallest waterfall in Australia, so if any waterfall needs to be FPV'd, this is the waterfall. Holy crap, the fucking thing just flipped upside down. Oh my god. I might just come back and land. I don't know what I should do actually. I'll just try to do one dive. Fucking Jesus Christ. I just don't want to lose this card. It literally flipped upside down. What the fuck? Fuck me. That was so fucking hectic. Oh my god, I'm glad I got my card back. I just landed and my heart is absolutely racing. That was so epic. That is like you are a bird soaring down a freaking mountain. That is the best feeling. You cannot get that feeling from anywhere else, man. That is just, that's why I got into FPV. That is just, oh, I'm shaking. That is just unbelievable. And the AVATA flipped upside down. It had that brake error, which is supposed to be fixed, but luckily it recovered. Because I was on the other side of the gorge. There's no way I'm getting that drone back. So luckily it recovered and I got it back. So I'm so stoked at how that went. That's my first waterfall fly, and yeah, I'm proud of myself that I had the guts to do it, because that's freaking scary. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. This was one of my favorite videos so far. If you are liking the FPV content, let me know, because I'm so stoked to make more of these videos and hit some more waterfalls. Uru.